Today, the 46 scale diecasts are very popular as the display area are very small in Asia. This is a handmade, modified with light, headlight, high-low beam indicator, brake light. It is so small, and the engine hook and the rear trunk also can open. So you nearly cannot find where is the battery and the receiver. Low beam. High beam. Such a small with everything. Even the brake light. Indicator. Indicator. Or just brake. This is the brake, just the brake. Everything controlled by this small remote. The remote bigger than the car a lot. It is quite fun. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.